Machine for applying housing insulation to stator coils of large electrical machines 040337. The machine is designed for applying housing insulation to stator coils sections of large electrical machines LEM. Insulation is carried out with a moving winding head in both directions and by applying step overlay insulation on the frontal areas. The machine can be used both in manufacture and repair of large electrical machines in a stationary electrical repair production. The operation of applying a frame insulation on high-voltage sections of the LEM is a responsible task. It is necessary to strictly maintain the pace, the number of layers, the number of passes, and at the same time ensure a constant tightness of the applied insulation materials. The machine 040337 most effectively copes with these tasks and allows you to insulate a section with a length of 450 to 2000 mm and with a groove length of up to 1250 mm. Other machine characteristics can be found on the website www.tdelectromash.com. The machine includes the following components and mechanisms: housing, winding head assembly, holders of the frontal and groove parts of the insulated coil, control panel, electrical equipment, and pneumatic equipment. All components are made of high-quality materials and are constantly being updated according to the wishes of customers. The operator's training process is simple and does not require much time, and additional video instructions allow you to quickly learn all the details of the machine operation. Electric equipment repair supplier, ELECTROMASH Trading House.